So what's this?
This is the Clementino pizza oven from Clementi.
What?
It's a genuine wood-fired pizza oven that Dean gets direct from Italy.
I bet this thing costs an arm and a leg.
Actually, it's only $9.99.
Wow!
And you can even finance it for 12 months. That comes to about $2 a day, less than that cup of coffee.
Whoa, and I drink like 4 of these cups of coffee a day.
I bet.
Wow, I'd save a ton of money by making my own pizza too. Just $2 a day?
And these are an exclusive here at Dean's. You can take it home today.
Wow, let's get this started.